Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Roblox account which is hacked. So first thing, if your Roblox account is hacked, you want to search for Roblox support on the browser. Once you search for Roblox support, the first option where it says support, click on it. Click on it, it's going to take you to Roblox Support Center. Over here, it's going to ask you to fill this form up, so do that. Over here where it says username, enter the username of your Roblox account. And where it says first name, enter your real life first name. Where it says email, enter the email which you have access to. Do not enter the email which has been hacked, because if your email is hacked, then your Roblox account is going to be hacked. So enter an email which you have access to and enter it again to confirm it. Your email is confirmed. Over here where it says select a device, you can select any device you want, doesn't matter. And over here you want to select the actual issue, which is account hacked. Click on it. Once you select that, over here again click on it and choose account hacked. Over here, once you select this, describe your problem. So describe it like this: my Roblox account just got hacked, can you help me recover it? I can provide any detail you want for this purpose, thank you. Click on submit and Roblox staff will view your problem and they'll reply to you within 2 or 3 days on this email. So make sure you check this email from time to time to see if Roblox has replied, and they'll help you, recover your account through their process. That's how you guys can recover your account which is hacked in Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.